It all began like an ordinary craft day.
Hi guys, Sam and I decided to make a very unusual craft today.
A magic typewriter made of cardboard.
Oh Sammy, come on, you've just stolen my thunder. And I thought you were my best friend.
No, Susie, please don't hold grudges. I just really wanted to help. Let me outline everything by myself, huh?
Here, you better work with this. Just follow my lead. Draw 2 circles with a diameter of 2.5 centimeters. And then turn them into the openings. Nothing complicated here.
Piece of cake, especially for an experienced crafter like me, Sue.
Wow, good job. Maybe we should make our craft brighter, don't you think?
Not another word. Samuel Magnifique is already here, and I'm full of brilliant ideas. What kind of character was that? What if he's involved in Sue's disappearance? How do you like this color palette, Mademoiselle Suzu?
I think it's perfect. This is the hottest color in this season.
Well then, it's good that I have already decorated all the details.
Wow, now that's what I call a bullseye. And now let's do this. And the first step in the assembling of our craft will be left behind. Alright, somewhere here I saw the details for the next stage.
Protect yourself. Take that.
This one.
Hey, why did you ruin my game?
You do get distracted so easily, Sammy. At this rate, it'll take us forever to finish this craft.
You're right. Come on, let me help you, Susie. Yeah, all done.
Wow. Guys, don't forget that you can always ask an adult for help.
Oh, I just can't believe that very soon I will have my personal typewriter. Woohoo!
By the way, what exactly are you planning to use it for?
I'm gonna write a detective novel. After all great writers have such gadgets, right?
Oh, Sammy, it's not the typewriter that makes the work great. It's the talent of the author.
Well, I definitely have a plenty of that. And what are you making?
The thing without which our craft will not work as it should. So, could you not distract me? And now, we'll carefully fix our paper strip on the lower roller.
Help, then don't distract. Could you make up your mind? Ow! What was that?
That was instant punishment for your grouchy mood.
Already hard, very funny. So why do we need these details?
We will glue this one like this so that it would be a tiny distance between it and the rollers, you see? And here we'll be putting paper sheets to print whatever we want on them. And the second part is the black Hey, Sammy, what are you doing?
An instant punishment for you being smarty pants.
Oh, you. We'll glue this part a bit at an angle, and the mechanism of the typewriter is finished.
Finally, we're one step closer to finishing our craft. I think I'm hungry.
Psst, guys, while Sammy's gone, I'll show you a secret. The trick is to feed the paper sheet into the mechanism with the right side up.
Sure, would you like a cookie? Oh,
Hey,
what are you
don't
doing?
crumble near the craft.
Okay, how rude.
Ew, that was close. Remember, guys, we start from the bottom roller and twist it in like this, slowly, until the paper sheet is completely hidden inside.
Okay, no food. Satisfied. Seems like I got crumbed all
Poor
the way.
thing. That's because you're always in a hurry.
I'll go drink some water. Be right back.
Okay, guys, we don't have much time. Watch carefully. Here goes a blank sheet. We spin the roller like this, imagining that we're really typing something here. And ta-da! Really great, isn't it? Oh, Sam's coming.
All right, Susie. Now I'm definitely ready to continue working on our craft.
That's what we need.
But I haven't finished. Remember, guys, you should always use only clean props for your craft. Whoa! I didn't expect that.
Now let's get rid of the excess. Hop. And we'll fix the necessary pieces using ordinary wooden sticks.
Sue, I don't get it. I thought we were done with the mechanism.
The thing is, I've just remembered that I forgot something very important. Be careful with the hot glue, guys. Don't burn your fingers. Here we go.
Even the all-knowing Sue makes mistakes. Let me help you, otherwise something will go wrong again. Would you be so kind? Thanks. Here we go. And done.
All we've left to do is attach that thing in its place, and it all will come in handy.
Guys, don't use any sharp tools without adult supervision.
Now everything seems to be great.
Wait,
Let's just...
stop! I have an idea. Give that thing to me.
Okay, I'll wait.
Here, I've covered it with the prettiest duct tape I can
Whoa,
find.
Sammy, I just love it. And check out how great it fits into the overall design of the craft. Looks very cool, right? And here goes the last step of the stage. Neat edges.
Well, half of the craft is ready. It's time to move on. Susie, I cut everything out just like you said.
Why, thank you.
Ow!
Our main task is to make neat folds like this on both sides of this piece so that this cardboard strip would sort of hug the mechanism. Not hard, right?
And now we'll secure everything with glue.
Whoa, wait, Sammy. It's a bit too early for that. We need to cut the front part of the case first. Huh? I said the front part of the case. That's what I was talking about. But guys, be careful when you cut all of this out.
Oh, Cannoli, but I want to help you so bad.
Well, you can tell me something interesting and the work will go faster.
All right. Did you know that the first piece of fiction printed on a typewriter was The Adventures of Tom Sawyer? And it was almost 150 years ago.
Wow, now that's knowledge, Sammy. How old is the typewriter itself then, huh?
Over 300 years old, and the world's first patent port was issued by Queen Anna.
So, we're making almost royal craft here. Only not this Anna, but the English Queen Anna Stewart. That's better.
Slime inspection. Extra support is always good.
And now let's check everything. Alright, our printing mechanism fits perfectly here.
And where can it fit the keyboard, huh? I can't figure that out.
Well, this is perhaps the most time-consuming part of our craft today. Using a key map template like this one, we'll carefully make the cuts on the bottom half of this piece, this way. Hop.
It's quite a painstaking process, guys, so while Sue's busy, hit the subscribe button.
And now we need to slightly expand these openings like this. Speaking of, we're gonna need quite a lot of such wooden sticks today.
So are you saying that? I think I got it! Hold on a sec! Just don't go anywhere, Sue!
Oh, that's Slime. He's up to something again. While in the meantime, I'll bring the body of our machine to perfection.
Interesting. I look at myself and understand that Sue does all the work in crafting by herself. That's not good. Susie, I feel embarrassed that you do all the crafting all alone. Therefore, ta-da! All this will make a great keyboard. Same grade, huh?
Are you saying that we'll make keyboard keys from buttons? That's brilliant, Sammy. In that case, all we've left to do is carefully glue the buttons like this.
And at this stage, you can ask an adult to help because we're gonna need a lot of buttons.
Now we'll carefully secure each of them in its place, like this. You can look at your computers and phones and replicate the keyboard layout.
But you can also add a couple of keys of your own. Step aside. Well, what do you say, Sue?
Wow, I think it turned out great, especially this heart key.
Somehow, I don't like the hole in the middle of this craft, Sue. Did you make a mistake in the sizes when you cut out the details?
Of course not. In the real typewriters, it is the space where the printing segment slots are located. But for our cardboard gadget, we can build segment slots from improvised materials.
You're doing great, Sue. And you have it all figured out.
Why, of course. Especially with our crafting experience, Sammy. You know, we always do everything qualitatively and beautifully. Do you agree, guys?
It's time to try out the typewriter.
All right, let's fill the paper here, this way. And now we're going to type, for example, I love Sammy. And look, everything's working. What good crafters we are.
It's just incredible! Hooray! Now I can print my detective novel! But first, why don't we check out our craft one more time, guys? Well, what do we have here? Hi, guys! Today we're making a craft right from the past!
Then we should go back to retro view and everything. Give me that!
Hey!
Aren't you gonna help me with this craft? I can start without you.
Not on my watch! I won't miss a chance to make a Polaroid myself!
Here, draw a sidewall then, and I'll draw another one here.
Okay! What is she doing back there?
Hey, why are you peeking?
I just wanted to make sure that I made everything for our Polaroid camera right.
Do you know what you should actually call it? An instant camera! That's right!
What? But why does everyone call it a Polaroid then?
The Polaroid company made it a huge success, but the first instant camera appeared in 1946. It's a real rarity.
Huh? Holy cannoli, guys, did you know that? Whoa!
Give a thumbs up if you learned something new. And bam! This one is almost cut out. Get ready for the pieces.
Let's see what we have here. Aha! The side piece! Sue, go on!
While Sam was talking, I already made everything. Sammy, where are you?
I'm here! Let's see! There are tiny holes here and here. Interesting!
Intruders! Grab them quick!
Hey, stop! I'm your best friend!
Ah! That was a nice break. Snap! Making the other side is a piece of cake.
My research went so well that I made copies myself! Hey! Over here! The delivery's here, Sue!
Wow, new pieces have arrived so soon. Awesome! Now we should put them together. Making this craft is pretty easy. Start with double pieces.
You make the bottom side and I'll make the right side! Or is it the left one?
It doesn't matter. Just put them together. Aha, like this.
Miss Suzanne, we won't be able to take cool pictures in such a scarce box.
You're right.
Oh, color photos need a colorful camera.
Guys, let's make up all of the pieces. Pick your favorite colors and go along. Here, everything is ready and we can assemble the box.
Hey, Sue! Oops. Ugh. Here, take this glue.
Thanks, my helper. Can you bring me another side too?
Sure thing, Sue. I'm fast as a lightning bolt. Woohoo! Sue, I'm here. Here, take this.
Thanks. You're fast as Flash, but not as fast as our instant camera mechanism.
Oh, is this part of the mechanism you were talking about?
That's right. We're assembling it next. Stay tuned, guys. Sammy, we're waiting for you here. What is taking you so long?
Who knew that making an old camera would be so hard?
Yay! Congratulations, Sammy! You made it!
How much corrugated cardboard do we need? Stop it! I got it! Too many!
Just enough to finish up the camera mechanism.
Oh, do we have to roll over more pieces? I'm in! Aha!
Okay, let's see. Oh, here is a nice place for you. Will you fit in?
Sure! Just a sec. Hop! We slimes are good at squeezing in anywhere!
Whoa! This was cool!
Check it out! Our pieces look identical!
Great news! It means that we can do this! See? How do you like the result?
Sorry, but you violated the craft rules. You didn't explain what to do with this!
Sam, give me that! Come on! Ugh! Thank you, officer. Now we can move on to the next stage.
Be careful, Miss Susan! Should I call for mechanic service? I can't handle it!
Not yet. We're a great team ourselves.
Guys, do you want to get some instant photos?
Make a printing mechanism using just small motors and cardboard. And this part is ready. Here are the wires. Red with the red one, black with the black one.
The secret will be hiding inside the box. You're the only witnesses! Sue, I've got something for you!
This is important. Put the connector and the motor together using the red wire.
Huh? What about the black one? We can't leave it like that, right?
Of course not. It will be connected to the button by a metallic plate.
So you need an engineer, right? You're lucky I'm here, Susan!
Yeah, this channel would be empty without you. Right, guys?
Sue, what is this? Help!
It's just me, Sammy. Come on! Wire, search for metallic plate. Oh, here it is. The shape is different, though.
Where is this wire leading to? Aha! I got it! So, this construction will launch the motors all together?
Yeah, and then these Polaroids will… this won't do. They will eventually fall off.
They won't if you make a frame to hold the Polaroids together.
That sounds great. Thanks, Sammy. We'll do this and place it right here. Let's test it. It seems like they're too small. I need help, Sammy.
It's because Polaroids look a bit differently.
Oh, that's better. So, Sammy, what's next?
A short break for selfies. Then we'll proceed. Susie, what is this scheme doing here?
Sammy, you're so late. Come on, move you. Hey, I need that.
Ah!
Snap.
Shiver me shutters! Where did it go?
That's a big secret. Right on time. Now, do you know how people used to develop these photos?
They shook or waved it, maybe?
Yeah, even though it was very wrong and could have ruined the photo.
Holy cannoli! It worked in our case anyway!
That's right, but we're not done yet. I've already made a few creases here.
Okay, cardboard, move to the camera!
Punishment is not the right way here. Come here, buddy. I've got nice pieces of film for you. Yay! Gotcha! Now let's glue everything up.
Finally, let me see! Well. Hey, I can't see anything! Where's the focus?
You need one more piece here. How is it now?
Guys, can you see that too?
Wow, hey, hello there! This craft is starting to assemble itself.
We should add something to hold this in its place.
You're right. Any ideas?
I'd say a ready solution! Just attach a wooden spatula to it!
Okay. Thanks, Sam. You're a really wise slime. Guys, follow my lead. Let's test how the mechanism works. Aha! Check out those motors swirling.
Sue, come on! Hurry up and finish the craft while everything still works!
Give me that viewfinder, Sammy.
This one? Nope.
Ugh. Oh, Sammy. We are going to attach this thing right here. There we go. You look here and see the image through this window. Cool, huh?
The most important part is a place for the decor. I should take a photo of a photo camera. It's a rare chance. Say, slimy! Whoa!
You've reminded me about the flash. We'll place it here like in a real-life camera.
Aha! Can I have my photo shoot on the retro camera? My followers will go wild!
Wait a bit longer. We're almost done here. Hup.
Huh? Susie, this hole wasn't in the original plan. Ah!
Sammy, watch out, or this bushing would knock you off.
No way! I was out to bring this piece for the lens.
Right on time. We can put these two together. Looks quite realistic already, right?
Not without the lens itself for sure.
We'll attach it to the narrow base. Catch it, Sammy.
Wow, the finishing touch is on me! Embedded in the hole. I did it! Hey, hold on! What are you plotting at?
I want to write something inspiring on the front. Let's see. Yeah! Something like this will do. What do you think?
I'm digging it! Hey, Susie, let's make your first photo! I'll place it on my wish map.
Oh my! How should I stand?
Act as you always do! This would be the best!
Oh, it's like a dream come true! Oh, I just love this one!
Hi guys, today we're gonna make a wonderful photo album.
We have a lot of work to do, but it's worth it.
That's right, Sammy. Let's get started.
Susie, I found a cover from an old notebook, so I thought it would work perfectly for our craft today. Yay!
Then we can move right to the most interesting parts, the decor and the contents. But first, check out its size, guys. The main thing here is not to make a mistake in the measurements.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the best slime of them all? Hey, it didn't answer.
I know the answer. It's you, of course. I was thinking I'd make a camera lens separately to create a 3D effect. And Sammy read my mind at that very moment.
Boring. You better make use of my brand new stylish necklace.
If you're bored, you can bring me some colorful beads.
I'm on my way. Oh,
no! Bullseye! Good job, Sammy. This goes here. It reminds me of cake making a bit. We'll come back to this later. And now let's take care of the contents.
Don't take it personally, Sue, but I heard that photo albums usually consist of some pictures. But I see no place for them here.
Oh, Sammy. We've been friends for years, and you still think I can only make something ordinary. The pictures are gonna be in little envelopes.
Do you mean like mail?
Exactly, and you did a great job with them. There we go.
I was thinking, maybe we should write something up above like, "You've got mail," huh?
Wonderful idea.
So the first page is ready and we can move on.
Sam, where is my ribbon? Gotcha.
Whoa!
Sammy, just like always. You're lucky to have me by your side. Otherwise, you'd have to walk around all tied up. Now we can put some pictures inside and then close the shutters.
Stop! Sue, let me do that!
Are you sure you won't get tangled again?
Pretty please.
Okay. Wow, Sammy, you did great. You even made a cute pendant.
What do you think, guys? If you like the first page of our photo album, give us a thumbs up.
And now we'll glue the last piece on the flap like we did 3 times before. Let's place another ribbon right here so we're able to close these cards.
Did I arrive in time, Miss Susan?
Could you be more specific, Sammy?
You haven't glued the pictures yet, have you?
No, but why?
I told you so many times, Sue!
Oh, okay. Let it be a surprise.
This side looks like a gift box. Actually, it was my idea. But I wanted to do it a bit differently.
Really? Then go ahead and tell me.
Okay, look. We need to take this piece and fold it.
Ah, I think I've got it. Oop.
Yep, we'll just make nice and neat creases 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter in size. Well done, Sue.
Guys, you're probably wondering where we'll put the pictures.
And we'll answer, you'll see. Sue, do you remember the surprise? Don't turn these over yet.
Okay. We need to apply some glue on each crease and attach one card with a picture, like this. Here comes another portion of glue and another picture. I think you got it, guys.
Sue, here, I've made the second page.
Now this goes here. Awesome.
It looks so unusual, but it was so easy to make.
Here comes the last touch. Oh, I must say I like this page the best.
But we still haven't finished yet, guys. Stay tuned. La, 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 la. And voila! That's how you do it.
Sammy, did you start without me?
I've made the fastener, but I can't figure out how to secure it.
I know one way. How about a Velcro?
Aren't you a genius, Susie?
Are the pictures ready?
Have I ever let you down?
Actually, more than once. Oh. Wow, it came out awesome.
And the caption should be good times, because there are pictures with all my looks inside.
Okay.
Woohoo! We're nearing the finish line!
Sammy, do you mind if I choose the pictures for the last page?
Let's see. I've chosen 21. Yes, it would be fair if you chose a couple.
Oh, that's so nice of you. But 2 is better than nothing, right?
We don't have time to complain, Sue. Let's assemble our album.
That's right. I can't wait to see the result, too. At this stage, guys, be very careful. Here we go.
I recommend you asking an adult to help, because the screwdriver is not a toy. One can easily get hurt.
Now one more opening and done. Now it's time for a trick. Boom, boom, boom.
I'm ready, Sue. Let's get started. Yes, that's right.
Sammy, I need some space.
But Sue!
Sammy.
Okay, then you finish the craft. And you guys, feel free to subscribe to our channel.
And now I solemnly declare that we're done.
That is what I call an incredible craft. Let's look at it in all its glory.
Sammy, where are you?
I'm here.
It's time to check out our album. Oh, Sammy, these are so adorable. Here we've made the Among Us craft. And here we had fun experiments.
Ooh, the window! Sue, wait! What's in there?
It's you in a Dracula outfit.
Awesome!
And here we did more fun experiments.
Right!
So cool.
Memories and cookies go really well with each other.
You don't need a reason to have a cookie. I approve. Wow, what a cool hat. Oh, and this one.
Yeah, I like wearing hats. Actually, I've got quite a collection of them.
Well, are you ready for the best crafts? You've chosen really cool pictures, Sammy. Aw, what pleasant memories.
Sue, are we really on the last page? I can't believe it!
Don't rush, Sammy. We're taking our time. I like these photos so much. Check these out.
It is heartwarming to see pictures in a real photo album.